Hey everybody, it's Supergirl KY here again with another Cricut creation. First off, I want to wish everybody a happy Mother's Day here soon, and we're going to be making Mother's Day cards. I ended up going through a couple iterations of various different kinds of Mother's Day cards, and these are the two final ones I came up with. So we're going to go through and change the material size to 8.5 by 11, and you're going to see one of my old designs for one of them, and it was an epic fail, so I ended up changing it. But once everything was all good, I went ahead and clicked continue. I then went ahead and laid out all of the paper I will be using for this particular project. Once everything was all cut out, I went ahead and started assembling everything. Now I will admit there is a lot of glue and it can get a little bit messy, but in the end, after everything is all dry, it turned out really good. And there we have it, two different kinds of Mother's Day cards. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so below. If you would like to have a notification every time I post a new video, hit that bell. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment below which card was your favorite. As always, it has been a pleasure, and don't forget to have a super day.